In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up Motivewave. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the initial steps for you to download and set up a workspace within Motivewave. So to start, visit the official website and you can start your free trial or acquire a license key. You can see all of the pricing options here. And if you only want to do the free trial, the option is available on any page. You input your full name and email address and proceed. They are going to have various different versions, so it's up to you to choose which one you want to lease or purchase. Afterwards, download it for Windows, Linux, macOS Intel, or macOS Apple Silicon. Once you have the tool downloaded, the very first thing that you will see is the welcome window, where you will be prompted to create a workspace. So I'm going to cover this setup process after you are done downloading the tool, but keep in mind that I'm not going to go super in depth about setting up trades and using the tool in its entirety. There are way too many features for me to go over in a video of this length, which makes it impossible. In here, you can give it a name. It is completely up to you. And the location. You can store this workspace in your local disk, which means that when you switch computers, it isn't going to be available there. Or you can use the cloud. And by using the cloud, the same license key in the same workspace, you will access that workspace on any computer. So even if you switch locations, you switch computers, you switch devices, it is still going to be available in the cloud. All that you need is the same license key. After this is done, you can see all of the free demo accounts that they have available. And finally, you choose a service. Once again, there are a lot of services to go over and I cannot cover all of them in this video. So choose your broker or data service from this dropdown and you can get specific help if needed. This is how the window is going to look like in general. So you will have the top options here. You will have the graph taking up most of your screen. You have some trading options at the right side of the screen, including this option here to set up an order. You have all of these icons, and at the bottom you will have more information about specific stocks, exchanges, and so on. You can set up multiple views like these. You can have as many as you want on screen at once. And you can use the tools at the right side of the screen, or you can right-click at any time to set up trading options. So you will have buy, sell, cancel all, refresh orders, and this is how the option to set up an order looks. At the right side, you also have this button with this bill icon, which also allows you to set up orders. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.